Hello, I'm Colleen Quinn from Lavaroma. Thank you for joining me for today's recipe video. So if you follow us on YouTube, you know that I do recipe videos most weeks that I share with you. And this one is no different. What I want to discuss today is relaxation and meditation. Have you ever carved 10 or 20 minutes out of your day to meditate? You get to your stool or your seat or your corner, wherever it is you tend to meditate, and you just cannot relax. Your brain is busy. You're thinking of all the things that need to be done, but you know you need to meditate, and you just cannot relax enough to meditate. It happens to me, especially midweek. So I have been using for some time now this really simple 3 essential oil blend to help me relax into my meditation, and it's been really, really helpful. So before I jump into it, let's talk diffusers. So I've been asked quite a lot what diffuser is good, what diffuser is not good, and if you Google diffusers, it's like a sweet shop. There is so much option out there. There are so many different types of diffusers. I used to use clay diffusers for a long time, and now I've moved to electric diffusers like this one. So my only advice on diffusers is do not spend a fortune. You do not need to. Some of them are like pieces of art, and maybe that's what you want, and that's perfect. I have a small diffuser for my meditation space and my office because they're small rooms. And then my larger diffuser I tend to use in my bedroom or in the living room and kitchen because it's a far bigger space. But we're talking meditation space today, and I'm talking about a small space. Now what I do is I take my lid off my diffuser and I fill it up with distilled water to the max line. So diffusers will always give you a max line where you should fill to, okay? And I'm going to use 3 different essential oils. I'm going to use lavender. So lavender, I feel, is one of those essential oils that the minute you hear aromatherapy, you think of lavender. And that's okay. Lavender is a beautiful plant that is incredibly versatile. The chemical makeup of lavender is fascinating, and it's perfect if you want something to help you relax, okay? It's sedative to an extent, but for me it's more of a relaxing essential oil as opposed to a sedative essential oil. There's a big difference. 5 drops of lavender. Then I'm going to use neroli, and I'm going to use 5 drops of it also. Now the reason I'm using it is because I'm meditating, so I want to stay focused. Like meditation to me, yes, it's relaxing, but there's focus. I'm focusing on my breath. I'm focusing on my intention. You know, I want to have clarity. Neroli helps me achieve that. Okay, so I have my relaxation, I have my clarity and focus, and then aromatically, I want something that's very appealing, something that's going to draw me back to that cushion. And you know, finding time to meditate can be difficult. We can find thousands of excuses not to do it. Sometimes when I'm trying to make excuses not to meditate, I think of this blend and I think I just want to sit with that blend for 10 minutes, forget about the breath and the meditation. The aroma of this blend will draw me to my meditation corner. So I'm curious to see how powerful it is for you. Ylang Ylang is my 3rd oil, which is a beautiful floral oil. I'm going to use 2 drops of Ylang Ylang. You can use more if you really like Ylang Ylang. 2 drops is perfect for me. This gives me a beautiful aromatic balance. This blend is ideal. 3 essential oils, that's all I need. I put my top back on, I turn on my electric diffuser, and I meditate for 20 minutes. The smell of this blend is one of my favourite aromas. The combination is so simple and it's absolutely divine. If you do not have any of these essential oils and you want me to offer substitutions based on what you have in your kit or your home, drop me a message in the comments below and I will happily help. And don't forget to subscribe to our videos because I release new videos and new recipes every single week. And if there's any you want to know from me, just let me know what you want to hear. And I'll happily create videos to meet your needs. Have a great day.